we just grabbed something to eat. So we're gonna sit and eat for a little bit, and then I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of my new place. I'm excited. So here's the front door, and you walk in, and then to your right you have a light. So a light that comes on in the hallway, and then you have this closet, which the closet is pretty big, fits a lot. My landlord, she gave me a vacuum, so that was so sweet. And then I just have a broom that I bought, and I'm probably just gonna keep all of like my broom and my mop and stuff in here. And then there's a breaker box too to control the heat. So that's that. And we're gonna close the cabinet. All right. And then when you keep walking, boom. Here is the kitchen. Now, initially when moving in, I didn't really like the color of the cabinets, and I wanted to make the cabinets black, like put black contact paper there, but my sister was like, I think you should leave it and just like change these out, which I probably just changed these out. And so we got the sink that already comes with like this little foldable drying rack, and then like a little bin to wash your fruits and vegetables. And I just really love this part. Oh, I don't even know how to work it, but I love this. Oh. And then you have like the pump for dishwashing liquid already right there. And then they left me some soap. My landlord, so sweet. This is Elisa's trash, because we had breakfast. But look at this cutting board that my landlord gave me. She's just absolutely sweet. And then my friend Ashley bought me some silverware, which I'm just gonna leave here because I don't have like anything to put them up with. But when I tell you my landlord is just so sweet, like she put this contact paper down for me. She did that for me. And I think she did it at every cabinet. Yeah. She's just too sweet, more than I can explain. And so they put in a brand new refrigerator, so it's nice and big and new and big, like it still has the plastic on it. And then the freezer, and then more storage up there. Okay, stove. See, at least I knew well, that black thing might fit right here. That wood thing that I bought, it'll fit. Let's see if the light work. All right, you know, black people gotta keep this light on at night. And so then I have like this little nook here, which I'm probably gonna get a bench or a stool, and I'm gonna actually just make this like my table / eating nook, just because I don't want to get a table because it might take up more space. But yes, this is the kitchen. So then going back from the hallway, you make a right, you have the closet. So you have the closet, which has a door, which I really like. So you come in, close the door, then you have all of this closet space. Like a lot of closet space. So then you have the closet, which through the closet is the bathroom. So I got these like so fresh and so clean. I got them from Marshall's for $25. And then you have the medicine cabinet, which I really love. Like I was telling my sister, like I can like sit my products here and then like put like maybe command strips and like hang certain stuff there. And then I really love this like light fixture on top of the bathroom. And yesterday she said they got a new sink installed, and she even bought me a curtain rod. My landlord did. It's just amazingly sweet. And then we got some storage down here at the bottom. Now, initially, I wasn't too fond of this tile, but my sister was like, it isn't bad, which it isn't. So I guess it'll stay. And then we got the shower, Got the shower head. This amazingly large tub. Like, I'm so amazed at how big this tub is. Like, I cannot wait to take a bath after a long day. And then just toilet paper stuff. So, let me make sure I turn off these lights. Lots of plugs, which I like. So that is the bathroom and the storage. I mean, not storage. The closet area. So then you come back out from the closet, you got the kitchen, and then now we have the living area. So this is a studio apartment. It's about 600 square feet. And we have these like floor to ceiling windows, which I love. We got my sister chilling in the corner. And just like, I can't even, it's so big. It's so spacious. So much space. And yeah, so this unit does come with some external storage. Ooh, too dark. Okay. Ooh, too bright. Okay, so the unit does come with some external storage. Then it also comes like with different other amenities. Sorry, it's so loud. Other amenities like a pool, an elevator. That's enough for me. But yeah, so this is my new apartment tour. Hope you guys enjoy, and I can't wait to go on this journey of decorating and just creating a space that's my own. Okay, so here go my favorite part. Another favorite part, at least, about the show. Okay, so look, I have a tub. I can take a bath. I think I'm gonna get a little like, you know, like pad, like little back pad thing, but just have my little table and I'm gonna be chilling. Just chilling. It's so cute. It is. I love it. Thank you, sister. Look above the light. I like that picture too. But it's really cute. Yeah.